Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here. Today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we will learn how to ask questions in English for daily conversation.
You use questions every day at work, at school, at a shop, or with friends.
We'll keep it simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Listen, repeat, and practice with us.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend learning English.
All right, let's start learning together.
First, let's learn some important question words.
These words help you get information.
Here are 5 important ones. What, where, when, why, how.
Let's practice.
Listen. What is your name?
Listen, what is your name? Good job.
Next, where do you live?
Next, where do you live? Nice, you're doing great.
Now a short dialogue.
Hi, what is your name?
My name is Alex.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
Listen again. What is your name? Where do you live? Simple and useful. Now let's learn a very common pattern. Do you?
We use do you to ask about habits or daily life.
Example, do you drink coffee?
Answer, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't.
Let's practice more.
Listen, do you work or study?
Repeat. Great.
Another one, do you like English?
We hope the answer is yes.
Now a mini conversation.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice, that sounds healthy.
Listen again. Do you wake up early? Yes, I do.
Try saying your answer too.
Now let's talk about time questions.
These are very useful for daily conversation.
Example, what time do you wake up?
Repeat it. Good job.
Another one, what time do you go to work?
Let's make a short dialogue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
That's a great example of real English. Now let's learn how to be polite. We use can you or could you.
Example, can you help me? Repeat. Nice.
Another one, can you repeat that? Very useful in English class.
Mini dialogue time.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you tell me the time?
It's 5 p.m.
Listen again and imagine the situation. Now let's practice together. Answer these questions out loud.
Ready?
What is your name?
Where do you live?
Do you work or study?
What time do you wake up?
Do you like learning English?
Great job. Speaking out loud helps your brain learn faster.
Today we learned how to ask simple questions in English.
Let's review the key patterns.
What is your name? Where do you live?
Do you like coffee? Do you wake up early?
What time do you wake up?
Can you help me?
These are real questions you can use every day.
And remember, don't be afraid to speak. Small practice every day makes big progress.
You're improving already. Keep going.
Before we go, here's a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up in the morning?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time for more easy, real English practice.
Bye. Keep practicing.